Muthenya umwe thutha wa ruhonge rwa EPRA kuongerera thogora wa betro na ndithuru nginyagia ciringi 260, Akenya ni mathiete na mbere kumenereria thirikari amuriria President William Ruto amathaga giturwa gia president aturaga huraga thirikari ya President Uhuru Kenyatta ni undu wa thogora wa iguru wa maguta.
Wacheni kiburi, wacheni madharau, wacheni matusi, endeni mupange mambo ya serikali. Bei ya mafuta imepanda, wananchi wanataka iteremuke.
Kumana na uhoro uyu, Akenya ni mambiriirie gucokia makinya na thutha na kumurika miario ya President William Ruto riria ari munini wa president amu mwaka-ini wa 2022 riria maguta mongereirwo thogora ni undu wa mbara cia Russia na Ukraine. Ruto ari muharini wa mbere wa kunyururia thirikari.
From their own statement, they are not sure of what to say. Is it because of the war in Ukraine, or is it because of the crisis with our oil marketers? Which is which? And that goes to tell you that this crisis is orchestrated, and it is as a result of the cartels and barons who have taken over, using conflict of interest and state capture in our economy.
Oho President ari munini wa President Hediyo ni okirire President Uhuru Kenyatta na njira nene akimuria niki giacungagiria thogora wa maguta bururi-ini wa Uganda ukorwo uri thi ukiringithania na guku bururi-ini indi maguta ma bururi ucio mageragirio guku Kenya indi riu thina tocio niguo gumire thirikari ya Ruto amu thogora wa maguta bururi-ini wa Uganda ndukinyite 200 na koguo uri thi ukiringithania na guku bururi-ini.
How come that fuel in Uganda is cheaper than fuel in Kenya? So, and yet the fuel being sold in Uganda goes through Kenya. That tells you that that kind of explanation is escapist and has no basis whatsoever. We should address ourselves to the crisis that is there in the country and the monopolies that have taken our fuel and economic sector captive.
Agitafania kampeni ciake mweri-ini wa 10 mwaka wa 2021, President oho ni okirire thirikari akiuga ithugu iria ciari ministry-ini ya hinya uria tuhuthagira nio macungagiriria thogora wa maguta wongerereke na kuhinyiriria Akenya.
The people at the Ministry of Petroleum have questions to answer, and the corruption cartel in the Ministry of Energy must be broken for the prices of fuel products to come down. It is not even about the taxes. It is about the corruption in the Ministry of Petroleum that is aiding a few companies to make super profits while the ordinary citizen in Kenya is suffering high prices.
Kumana na uhoro uyu, riu President Ruto ekorete giturenge-ini kiria aikitie munene wake Uhuru Kenyatta ya kumukuithia murigo wa thogora wa maguta kuongerereka o hamwe na thogora wa iguru wa mũtũrĩre. Indi riu Akenya ona ni mari na marakara makiria President Ruto aturaga meragira ni akumaguithiria thogora wa mũtũrĩre indi maundu mathiete na mbere na kurituha. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.